Today we are going to go to the basics of all basics. We're going to learn how to make a phone call using a Apple smartphone. Okay. Now you say everybody knows how to do that, but do you know recently I've had several people say, I wanted to talk to my grandfather the other day and he doesn't even know how to use his phone. So we're going to go over the basics. When you first turn on your phone, you're going to come to all of these icons. Now that in itself is mesmerizing to some people, and they say, well, how do I make a phone call? Well, it's very simple. The button down at the bottom, this one, the green one, you just tap that and you say, okay, but it didn't bring up a keypad. So now what do? I've got all these names. Yeah, these are all of the names, and you can scroll up through the names and it'll give you all of the people in your contact list. You say, well, I don't have a contact list. Okay, that's one for later on. But some things are going to come up and you're going to say, well, I just want to make a phone call. Well, look down at the bottom here and you hit the keypad. Wow, now the keypad is there and you can go ahead and make your phone call. And once you dial it in, you hit the green button, green for go. Now, we're going to close it out and you just swipe up on one of the newer X iPhones or hit the home button at the bottom, and now you're back to all of those silly looking icons. Okay, so now what do? Say, okay, I want to make a phone call. So you tap on it again. Well, lo and behold, this time it came up with the keypad. And you say, well, that's crazy. One time it's going to do one thing, one time it's going to do another. No, it's designed that way. So the last function that you are on when you close out the app is what's going to come up next. So let's say we went to favorites. That's the star down at the bottom. Now, the favorites are there and we close it out. So the next time we hit the button, favorites comes up. Or we could go to contacts, close it out, bam. Next time we open it, the contacts come up. So it's not a mystery. And so if you are not where you want to be, look at this row on the bottom. That's going to tell you. Now, if somebody has left you a voicemail, you click on the voicemail and you see what the voicemails are and you choose one. You click on it and it will start to play. Okay, you can then call it back, you can delete it, or you can hit the little triangle that's pointing to the right and that will start it to play. Now, on my voicemail, it actually transcribes it so what is being said is actually written up at the top. Pretty cool. So, that's the voicemail feature. Go back to the keypad. That's a good place to leave it and close it out. That means the next time you're going to have the keypad when you're ready to make a phone call. It's that easy. So it wasn't all that bad, was it? Enjoy your phone. Have a nice day.